What up, good people? Here's shot at the Checker Flag BMW for allowing me to review the 2025 BMW 5 Series.
Today we're introducing the 2025 BMW 5 Series, draped in a sleek black sapphire metallic, stretching 198 inches long, standing just 59 inches tall. This sedan sits low and wide on a 117-inch wheelbase with a 6.1-inch ground clearance. It's not just built to turn heads, it's built to lead.
Under the hood is the 2-liter with a mild hybrid drive system, turbocharged inline 4, pushing out 255 for the torque, 295 at 2,000 RPM. This sedan can sprint from 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds with a top speed of 155 miles per hour. But efficiency has not been forgotten. 35 on the highway, 27 in the city. Here's the sound of it.
The BMW 5 Series strikes a perfect balance between elegant and athleticism. With its modern proportion, it features a clean, sleek body that defines strong character lines that flow seamlessly from the front to the rear. A long wheelbase and a short overhang contributes to its dynamic stance and make it a comfortable, sporty, and flexible companion for both short trips and long journeys. This has an MSRP of $71,000. When you just look at this BMW 5 Series, sleek, sexy, and it's sitting low. That black sapphire metallic, pure luxury from every angle. Now ask yourself, for $71,000, would you trade in your current ride for the ultimate driving machine? Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats. Right here we are looking at a digital analog gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPM with your engine temp. In the middle you have your MPH. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel where you can go through your content, layout, heads-up display, settings, and much more. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings with mode. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command with your plus and minus pedal shifters. Looking on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your memory seat settings. Also, it's touch sensitive. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here we are looking at a stunning 14.9-inch touchscreen display. Your command center on the road is seamlessly integrated Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, keeping you connected with ease. But BMW took it a step further with intuitive hand gesture control and integrated climate settings. Luxury meet innovation at your fingertips. You have your cup holder area with your 2 USB outlets. You have your engine start stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. You have your shift lever. This particular model is an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now we're making our way inside the center console. Wow, this is pretty small. You have your glove box for extra storage space. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control alongside your SOS safety connect. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black leather seats. You have your air vent with your 2 USB outlets. On the back of the chair you have more tight seat outlets. You have your cup holder area. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. Looking down on the door panel you have your one-touch window control.
I'm 5'11" with a lot of leg room, with a lot of head room. Sitting back here, very comfortable. The leather feel plush. Yeah, I can take this on a road trip and fall asleep on this one. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 18.4 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious. You could put a couple of 40-inch TVs back here. Once again, huge shout out to Checker Flat BMW for allowing me to review the 2025 BMW 5 Series. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.